Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today's video is not a regular makeup tutorial. It's something more personal, something that I do regularly, and I'm here to teach you what I learned. A lot of you guys have asked me if I am into face massages. So recently I started doing a couple of massages for my face. This is something that I do regularly when I am doing my skincare routine, be it daytime or nighttime. And I really find these massages helpful as well as relaxing. They're super relaxing. So I'm going to teach you guys the kinds of facial massages I do, the techniques that I follow to maintain a plump, toned skin. Before that, I'm gonna prep my face. Also, to follow a good skincare is very important every day. I love using something which is very hydrating and which removes my dullness, because I have to face these harsh lights for a very long time while shooting. And also, since it's extremely hot, my skin tends to feel dehydrated and it gets oily. So I love using something which hydrates my skin and it does not make my skin oily. So I'm going to use Dr. Shade's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. So I've already cleansed my face and now I'm going to use this. So I generally use it at night. I leave it on the whole night, and next day I wake up with beautiful, plump, glowing skin. But today I'm going to use this before massaging my skin as a skin prep. And yes, you can use the sleeping mask as a standalone moisturizer for your daytime skincare routine or morning skincare routine. If I'm applying it at night, then I just use it over my night cream. But today I'm going to use it as a day cream. It's great for both day and night. The packaging is very calming. It's got colors which are very relaxing. It's got a gel-like texture which has got yellow beads in it. So I just take it and apply a thin layer of the sleeping mask all over my face. It's got amazing ingredients like haldi, hyaluronic acid, squalene, which brightens my skin. It brings back the glow, it makes it plump, hydrates and repairs my skin. I have sensitive skin and my skin loves it, and it is suitable for acne prone skin too, since it's non-comedogenic. The next very important step, which should not be skipped, is applying a sunscreen. I'm going to use Dr. Shade's Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen with SPF 50. It's rainy season, it's humid outside, the skin tends to get oily, and I would definitely want to use a sunscreen which is non-greasy. It's non-greasy, it's hydrating, and it's also suitable for sensitive skin. It just blends effortlessly and it does not have a white cast when you apply it. It protects the skin from the UV rays, pollution and the blue light. It's got ceramide complex which helps repair skin damage, vitamin C which prevents micropigmentation, and hyaluronic acid which gives it a non-sticky texture and moisturizes and nourishes the skin. So I take the sunscreen and spread it on 2 fingers and apply it on my face and neck, and then I also apply it on any other exposed area. I have been using Dr. Shade's products for quite some time and I really enjoy using them. The reason why I trust the brand is because they are a dermatologist formulated brand with 90 years of experience. They make products specially for the Indian skin based on what has worked for them in the clinics. So I'll mention their products in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. I've also got a coupon code DAZZLES20 which will get you a 20% off. So I let these products sit for maybe half an hour and then I come back to the massage. So facial massages are very important for your skin, especially after a certain age, since your skin starts sagging, and the practice of regular facial massages just helps to improve the skin's texture and the skin's appearance, like overall appearance of the skin. It's anti-aging and helps to reduce wrinkles, since there's a lot of massaging going on, so it also helps in blood circulation, reducing acne. Since there's a lot of blood circulation and blood flow, it just gives you glowing skin, beautiful glowing skin. It just relaxes you, rejuvenates you and relieves you of any tension. It just is an amazing practice. You can use lotions, oils, cleansing balms, you can use Jade roller, you can use a gua sha. There's so many things. And now I'll show you how I massage my face. So I'll just be using the gua sha first, and this is to relieve any kind of tension. So I'm going to start using the heart-shaped side of the gua sha, and I'm going to place it at the bottom of my neck, and then I'm going to press it lightly and take it till the back of my ears, and then wiggle it a little. It just relieves tension and just feels so relaxing. So I generally just repeat it 5 times on each shoulder. Next, I'm going to use a rose water. You can use any rose water you have, or toner, and then just press my fingers and press my hands lightly on my face and just let it get absorbed in the skin. For the massage, I'm gonna use a few drops of kumkumadi oil. You can take any oil or skin serum or face serum that you have, and I'm just gonna press it on my skin and my neck. I want the facial oil all over my face so that I can just massage it smoothly and run my fingers or the gua sha or the jade roller all over my face. So I'll just press the oil really nicely all over my face. So the first thing I do is for the smile lines that all of us have. It's a good sign to have smile lines because that means that you're a happy person and you smile all the time, but sometimes it does not look good. So smile as much as you can and also do this at the same time. I just bend my fingers like this and then I take it near the nose and start pulling it upwards, especially where the smile line is, like right here. Just remember, you always have to move your fingers upwards and outwards. The next thing I do is, again, keeping the same position of the fingers, I just move my fingers from the center of the face outwards, and I also keep my thumb under the chin, and the motion of my thumb will be like outwards. So I move my fingers from the center of the face and outwards. This will just give you a very nice facelift. Then what I do is, holding the outskirts of my face, I just take 2 fingers and just push my skin outwards. Then I massage the area around my eyes using my ring finger, and I just very lightly massage it outwards. If you don't want to use the fingers, you can just use the gua sha or the jade roller. So I'm going to show you how to use the gua sha, which looks like this. We can also do these massages with the help of the gua sha, holding the chin with the 2 fingers and using the heart shape of the gua sha. We can just push the skin outwards. This way you will get a sculpted jawline. So the next step will be to take the flat side of the gua sha and hold the nose with your 2 fingers and then just push it upwards. I mean, you can hold your nose, you can just leave it, it's just for extra support. So you can just pull your skin upwards and outwards. For the area around the eyes, I'll take the heart shape again and then just place it and move it upwards and outwards, but be very, very gentle because the skin around this area is very, very delicate. For this area, the brow bone area and the area above the eyebrows, you can again use the heart-shaped side of the gua sha. You can place the middle portion in between your eyebrows and you can just very smoothly run it over. It's very, very relaxing, especially if you're looking at your computer screen or your laptop screen for a long time. It's a very good way of de-stressing yourself. For extra support, you can place 2 fingers in the middle of your forehead and do the same. Now for the forehead, we'll take the flat side of the gua sha and we will just massage it upwards and outwards. Now coming to the jade roller, this is also very relaxing. So this one's got a small roller side and a big roller side. Taking the big roller side, for the jawline, we'll just take it and just keep massaging it. Now for the cheeks, we just roll it upwards and outwards and do the same to the other side. For the forehead, we go upwards and outwards. You can also do the under eye area with the small roller. So from the center of the face, we just roll it outwards. I also like doing the sides of my nose sometimes and also the top of my eyes. My favorite with the jade roller is this one because it just feels so relaxing. I can't even tell you how relaxing it feels. This routine just takes 5 minutes and it's extremely beneficial for your skin. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you find it helpful. So comment down below what kind of videos you want to watch. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.